Have you ever spent a fortune on gorgeous pots and premium potting soil, only to watch your favorite plants slowly wither and die? It is incredibly frustrating to pour your heart into a beautiful container garden and end up with a patio full of expensive, empty dirt. Welcome to the Don't Do This guide, where we help you avoid the gardening mistakes that hold you back. If you want a lush garden with less effort, hit that subscribe button. The first massive mistake people make is ignoring drainage holes. Many beautiful decorative pots completely lack a way for water to escape at the bottom. When water pools at the bottom of the pot, your plant's roots basically drown and start to rot. Without oxygen, the root system collapses and the plant simply gives up. The simple fix is to always ensure your containers have at least one good-sized drainage hole. If your favorite pot does not have one, you can easily drill a hole yourself using a masonry bit. Alternatively, use the decorative pot as an outer cover for a plain plastic nursery pot. When you water, simply lift the plastic pot out to drain and then pop it right back into the pretty display. The second common error is scooping up soil straight from your yard to fill your containers. Garden soil is incredibly heavy and quickly compacts when it is restricted inside a pot. This compaction suffocates the roots and stops water from flowing through properly. It also introduces garden weeds and soil-borne pests directly to your contained environment. Instead, always invest in a high-quality potting mix, specifically designed for containers. These mixes are wonderfully light, fluffy, and designed to give your roots the perfect balance of moisture and air. They often contain perlite or vermiculite, which actively helps keep the soil loose. Using the right mix gives your plants a vibrant, healthy start from day one. Mistake number 3 is choosing a pot that is completely the wrong size for your plant. Putting a tiny plant in a massive pot means the soil holds way more water than the small roots can drink. The soil stays soggy for days, which is a perfect recipe for fungal issues. On the flip side, cramming a large plant into a tiny pot leads to severe dehydration. The roots quickly run out of room and become completely root-bound. To keep your plants thriving, try to choose a container that is just 1 to 2 inches wider than the current root ball. This gives them plenty of room to grow securely without swimming in excess, soggy soil. The fourth mistake is treating your container plants exactly like the plants growing deep in your garden beds. Pots heat up much faster and lose moisture far more quickly than the actual ground. If you stick to a rigid once-a-week watering schedule, your container plants will likely crisp up in the summer heat. Waiting for them to wilt before you water causes unnecessary stress that stunts their growth. Instead, make it a daily habit to check the top inch of the soil with your finger. If the soil feels dry to the touch, it is time to give them a deep, satisfying drink. Water thoroughly until it runs out the bottom, and your plants will reward you with vibrant growth. Mistake number 5 is completely forgetting that potted plants are trapped in their environment. Every time you water a container, essential nutrients are actively washed right out of the drainage holes. Without a steady supply of food, your plants will quickly run out of energy. They will stop producing those beautiful flowers, and their vibrant green leaves will start to yellow. To fix this, establish a regular feeding routine using a gentle, water-soluble fertilizer. You can also mix slow-release fertilizer granules into the soil when you first plant them. Replenishing their nutrients every few weeks guarantees they stay vibrant and robust all season long. The sixth mistake is cramming way too many different plants into a single pot. While those tightly packed arrangements look incredible at the garden center, they quickly become a battleground. The plants end up aggressively fighting each other for water, sunlight, and limited root space. The stronger plants will quickly choke out the more delicate ones. Give your plants the breathing room they deserve by following the spacing guidelines on their plant tags. Providing adequate space ensures each plant gets exactly what it needs to stretch out. When they are not stressed by competition, they grow to their full, spectacular potential. Our final major mistake is ignoring the specific lighting needs of the plants you combine together. Pairing a shade-loving fern with a sun-worshipping petunia guarantees that one of them will suffer. You will either scorch the delicate fern or leave the petunia desperately reaching for light. The entire arrangement will look lopsided and unhealthy within just a few weeks. Always group plants together that share the exact same sunlight and watering requirements. You can create stunning combinations of sun lovers in one pot and gorgeous shade varieties in another. This makes caring for them incredibly simple and ensures your entire patio flourishes beautifully. Container gardening is a wonderfully easy way to bring nature to your doorstep, as long as you match your plants with the right pots, soil, and daily care. There you have it, the key things to avoid when dealing with container gardening. If this video saved your plants, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below on which mistake you've been making. See you in the next guide.